Cognitive function and like cognitive load of driving and thinking about different things. Just using a wheelchair in general, you need to be aware of your surroundings, looking at what's in front of you. That takes a good bit of cognition, at least early on when you're learning, to make sure that you're attending to the environment and knowing what the chair is doing or what mode it's in, those types of things. But then additionally, the more complex the driving setup is, the more cognitive load it requires to drive. So something that requires non-proportional, and then something like latching could take a significant amount of attention, plus all the just, again, moving around the environment. For someone with a progressive diagnosis where you're changing different types of joysticks and changing how the chair moves, can be something to consider, that while someone may have been a very good joystick driver, when they switch to something like sip and puff, it may have a pretty significant learning curve because it's a different input style, it drives differently, you have to use different switches and methods of accessing it. Not that it's not possible, but it definitely takes more thought and attention. And so knowing that while you're training somebody, that they may need a quieter environment, that they may not be as safe or independent in more complex situations, or that when they're more fatigued, they may even need someone else to use an attendant control or something else, given the large cognitive requirement to drive.